The best 10 fruits to increase GFR naturally. Hello, and very good morning to all our viewers. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube. Here, you can get so much scientific knowledge on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and safe and effective natural and holistic treatment of several chronic diseases with Bharat homeopathic medicines. Here, in this video, I will suggest the 10 best kidney-friendly fruits that raise GFR naturally without being on so many diuretics and kidney medications. Well, kidney-friendly fruits are low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. However, they are high in potent antioxidants, polyphenols, and certain bioactive plant chemicals. The first fruit is blueberries. They are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. They are low in potassium, making them kidney-friendly. The second is apple. Apples are high in fiber, pectin, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They help control blood sugar and cholesterol levels, two major risk factors for kidney disease. Pineapples are also great kidney-friendly fruits. They are rich in bromelain, which reduces inflammation. They are also low in potassium and high in vitamin C, which supports immune and kidney health. The fourth kidney-friendly fruit is red grapes. They contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant known to protect kidney cells from damage. The fifth fruit is strawberries. They are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and a variety of antioxidants that protect the kidneys from free radical damage. The sixth fruit is papaya. It is rich in vitamin A, folate, and antioxidants. It contains papain, which aids in digestion and indirectly supports kidney health by reducing the metabolic load. The seventh fruit is cranberries. They are best for preventing urinary tract infections as they contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thus protecting the kidneys. Cherries are also beneficial for the kidneys. They contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. The ninth fruit is pears. They are generally considered a good fruit choice for people with chronic kidney disease. They are a good source of fiber and vitamins and are relatively low in potassium and phosphorus. The 10th and last fruit is dragon fruit. It is low in phosphorus, full of fiber, and hydrating. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others who may benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more interesting videos.